Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Aina Elisha binti Muhammad Hilmi. My registration number is 17DIF24F1046. Okay, the first document that we're going to introduce is credit note. Okay, credit note is used to inform buyer that her account has been credited with the state amount. It also known as credit memo. It is issued in curious situation to correct a mistake. For example, in an invoice amount is overstated, correct discount rate is not applied, or item purchased by week warranty period. Okay, the second document is debit note. So, what is a debit note? Debit note is a financial and tax document used to correct or adjust the original invoice issued for the sale of goods services. It is commonly used when the seller needs to increase the value and tax charge on a previous transaction. Similarly, it can be used by the buyer to adjust the amount payable to the seller in case of returned goods or services. Okay, the third document is memo. So what is memo actually? So memo is a short word from memorandum. It's often used as a note on certain business events that need to be announced if no other document exists, and it's actually circulate internally and within the business. A memo was issued as a notice when there is an additional capital, drawing of asset, and drawing of goods or any extraordinary event in the company. So basically, you use a memo when you make a drawing in a business.
Sale invoice is credit sale. When a seller sell good on account to a buyer, it issue an invoice. The invoice will typically show particular of the good or service sold, including the parties to the transaction. Term of payment, the date, quantity and price. Payment, the date, quantity and price. The sale invoice sent by provider of good or service to a purchaser. Payment voucher, used for the documenting and authorizing payment made by business. Its primary function and use includes payment authorization, proof of payment, supplier payment, employee reimbursement, petty cash payment. For this is book of account of journal, written outward journal, used to record transaction involving goods returned to supplier. Written inward journal. Written inward journal used to record transaction involving goods returned by a customer. General journal used to record the following that do not belong in any of the special journals, such as purchase, sale, cash receipt, and cash payment journal. And the last one is sales journal. Sales journals used to record credit sale.
Okay, so the last one is accounting concept. Okay, there is two accounting concept. The first one is historical concept. Historical concept mean all asset and liability of a business will be recorded at the historical cost. The historical concept is a original cost which recorded with the same original amount until the asset are sold and the liability are fully paid. For example, KT Enterprise bought a van on 2 February 2022 for RM60,000 paid by check. Okay, so the second one is money measurement. All transactions of a business are recorded in terms of money that is the currency of a country. So the record of transaction are kept in monetary until rather than in the physical unit. For example, accident of general manager, loyalty and honesty of employee are not recorded. This cannot be measured in the term of money because they do affect the profit and the loss of the business concern.